Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Madame Glam. They were kind enough to let me choose 7 polishes to do a spring look. But before we get into the box, let's just remember that Madame Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. So the first color I chose is Strawberry Milk. It has some very fine gold glitter in it. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at how beautiful that color is. That is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be perfect for spring and summer. It's a light peachy pinky color. It is very, very, very pretty. And then the next color I chose is Not Your Usual White. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It's like an off-white with a purpley iridescent color, maybe a little tiny tinge of yellow, but this is absolutely beautiful. This is so, so pretty. And then the next color I chose is Rosy Nude. This is just a beautiful nude light pink. This is absolutely beautiful. This is definitely a color that you should have in your collection, a staple color. This is just absolutely gorgeous. There's so many things you could do with this color. This is beautiful. And then the next color is Gentle Coral. I have really been into corals lately, like I've been saying in my last few videos. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty this is. This is beautiful. I love, love, love this coral. And then I chose the only one. I wanted to start getting more into some purples. I really hadn't been picking up that many purples. And I'm really starting to get into purples, and this is just so, so pretty. This is just beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then this next one is You're the Pink. And I think what happened is I think I had chose another color and they were out of it. And so they just tried to substitute it. But this is an absolutely beautiful pink. I love this pink. This pink is a bright, it seems bright to me. It's like a lighter pink, but it's bright if you know what I mean. It's a very, very beautiful, beautiful pink. And then the last one is another purple, and it is Vanilla Sky. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a lilac purple. This is so, so pretty. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely stunning. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into the swatches. So the first color we're going to swatch is the Only One. This is a very, very beautiful, beautiful purple. The coverage is excellent. You really would only need 1 coat. We will be doing 2. That is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. The second color is Rosy Nude. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. This is perfect. I am loving this color. I think this is going to be my favorite nude, to tell you the truth. I think I've been looking for this and I've finally found it. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that. This is Strawberry Milk. This is the one that has the glitter in it, the fine gold glitter. This is so, so pretty. It's just so delicate. It is so pretty. It's not as pigmented, but it is very, very delicate. You would definitely need 2 coats with this one, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the gold shimmer. It's so pretty. And then Not Your Usual White. This is so pretty. I love the purple iridescent in this. This is gorgeous. And then the next one is Gentle Coral. Now this is more of an orangey coral, more on the orangey side, not on the pink side. It is so pretty. Like for tropical nails, oh my gosh. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. And now we are going to be swatching Vanilla Sky. This is so pretty. This is such a pretty light pastel lilac. It is so beautiful. I love this color. So pretty. And last but not least, you're in the pink. I love this color. This color is just, I don't know, it's just so pretty. It is such, it's just like a very cheerful pink. Here are all 7 colors, 2 coats, and 1 coat of the No Wipe top coat. So I want to make a cute fairy garden set. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. I am going to be using some of this fake green moss. I will be using Madame Glam Rainforest, which is this color right here. And then I am going to be using Madame Glam Rosy Nude, which is this color right here. And then I'm going to be using a generic glue, and then we're going to be using some stickers and some flower charms, possibly some dried flowers. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into the video and we're gonna see how this goes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with a gel glue. So I just mixed 2 different colors of moss together. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I actually think they turned out super, super cute. I am so pleased with the way that they turned out. They turned out better than I thought that they would, quite frankly. I just love them. I don't know if I would wear them, but I just think that they are so, so cute, and I'm happy that I made them. I've been wanting to make a fairy garden set for probably over a year now and just never had a chance to do it, and so finally I just took the time and I did it, and I am so happy that I did. So thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will link Madam Glam's information in the description box along with my discount code, and thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me comments, let me know what you think. I absolutely love the polishes. I love the way that this set turned out. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.